Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're going to make a special hamburger. And I don't know if you've ever seen a stuffed jalapeno popper burger, but this is going to be my version of the jalapeno popper burger. I've got 4 quarter-pound burgers. We got salt and pepper on these, and I hardly ever put seasoning on a burger, but I put some Holy Voodoo seasoning from Meat Church on there. And how I'm going to be doing mine different is I'm going to smoke my bacon and my cream cheese using the Wine Country Barbecue Premium wine-infused oak pellets, because I want that nice smoky flavor on this cheese. Alright, so first thing I got to do, I've got my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100 heated up to 250 degrees. So right now I'm going to get my bacon started and my cream cheese started, and then in about 30 minutes I'm going to add these burgers, and I'm going to be using some Hatch nacho slices jalapenos for my poppers. These don't have a heat value, but I guess for nachos they're probably not that hot. They're probably warm, zippy, whatever you want to call them. And that's it. Let's get this thing on the road. All right, first thing we got to do is get that bacon and cream cheese in here. So I do have some little foil packets for the bacon to help hold the grease in. Okay. And I'm sure you've seen the smoked cream cheese before. So what I'm doing is I am just smoking the cream cheese with no seasonings at all on it. It's just going to pull in that wine-infused oak pellets, and hopefully we'll get that great flavor that I'm hoping for. So we're going to get these about a 30-minute head start, then we'll get our burgers on. All right, the cream cheese and the bacon have been in for about 40 minutes right now. I'm going to get the hamburgers in. And we'll let the hamburgers are going to take probably 40 minutes to an hour, probably around 45, 50 really. I cannot wait to try these, because if you haven't had smoked burgers before, smoked burgers are amazing. You know I love smash burgers, but smoked burgers, and it's hard to beat. All right, we'll keep an eye on them. Like I said, 40 minutes to an hour, and we'll be back. All right, it's been 45 minutes. Let's check the bacon. Like the bacon's doing pretty good. Cheese looks good. Burgers look incredible. Okay, looks like we need to pull all this off. Look at the color on these burger patties. And there is our cream cheese. Look at that. So good. Right. I got my pan in here. I put the bacon back in. It wasn't quite ready. So right now with this pan in here, I'm going to get our buns in and get them toasted up. Okay, let's check our buns. Looks good. Nice and toasty. Bacon looks pretty good. Okay, here we go. Let's get this build on. First, we're going to take our bun. And we're going to take our cream cheese, and we're going to slather that on the bottom. Our smoked cream cheese. Put a healthy amount down there. Okay, next I'm going to get some Hatch jalapeno slices on here. Get another one in there. All right, then we're going to get a burger on there. Okay, I'm going to put a little more cream cheese on the top. So now we want to get our bacon on there. And our lid. And there you go. That's my jalapeno popper burger. Smoked jalapeno popper burger. Not stuffed, it's stacked. Alright, so Let's just get a bite of this. That is delicious. Got the jalapenos in there, got the cream cheese, got that nice smoked burger. So good. The bacon. I'm telling you, there ain't nothing like a smoked burger. These are so good. All right, there's my my smoked jalapeno popper burger. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video.